Hello friends, and in today's video we are going to discuss the diagram showing the image formed by a plane mirror. So let's start. To make this diagram, we will need a sheet of paper, a pencil or a pen, a protractor and a scale. First of all, we will draw a straight line which will represent the plane mirror in our diagram. Then, taking just 5 lines above from the line, we will mark a point and name it as point O. This point O will act as the object in our diagram. Now, we will make two rays from point O. And name them as ray OP and OP1. Now, using a protractor, we will draw a normal to ray OP. And for ray OP1, we will name the normal as PA and P1B. We will also name this angle OPA as angle I1 and angle OP1B as angle R1. Now, we will measure angle I1 which in my case is coming 76 degree. Now I will draw an angle of 76 degree. And name it as angle I2. I will also name the ray as ray PN. Now, I will measure the angle R1 which in my case is coming 38 degree. So, I will draw an angle of 38 degree . And name it as angle R2. And I will name the ray as ray P1Q. Now, I will extend the ray PN backwards . And similarly extend ray P1Q backwards . You see that these two rays are meeting at this point. So we will name this point as point I. Now we will draw a line from the object O which will meet at point I. This is the point in our diagram where the image is forming. So as you can see over here that the object is 5 lines away from the mirror and the image formed, which is point I, is also 5 lines away from the mirror. Hence our diagram is correct. Also we will write that the measurements of angle I1 and I2. Angle I1, which is the angle of incidence, is 76 degree, and angle I2, which is the angle of reflection, is also 76 degree. So angle I1 and I2 are equal to each other. In the second case, angle R1 is equal to 38 degrees and angle R2 is also equal to 38 degrees. Hence, the angle of incidence R1 is equal to the angle of reflection R2. This diagram requires a lot of practice. So, if you are not able to make it, don't get disappointed. I will be sharing an easy trick with you in my next video. Thank you.